Joanne Butler with some holiday entertaining ideas to make everything easy so you can just enjoy your party. Let's start with the food. Who doesn't love potatoes? I can't live without these. They're little potatoes. They're absolutely delicious, but what's even better, they're easy. They come pre-washed. They require no prep or peeling. They're just the perfect holiday time saver for entertaining. And also, you know, for busy weeknights at home as we prepare for the holidays, you know, and just want to throw something on the table. Little potatoes come in bags like these little yellows and little trios, which are just beautiful festive colors for the holidays. They also come in these microwave ready kits that cook in just 5 minutes, and they have some delicious flavors too, like savory herb and garlic parsley. And what's great is no matter how you cook them, whether you roast them, boil, air fry, or microwave, they always cook evenly and come out perfectly. And they're small enough too, so you don't have to cut them. And they're great for kids too. I just look at this beautiful dish we made here with the little trios. Just added some melted butter, chopped herbs, a little salt, pepper, popped them right in the air fryer for 25 minutes, and we have this beautiful potato dish. This is also great to bring to a party if you're a guest because everyone loves potato dishes. And littlepotatoes.com has some amazing recipes on their website, so definitely check that out. Now, every cook should know about GoodCook. They make amazing cookware to, again, make it easy for you. This is their BestBake MultiMeal. It's a 3-in-1 pan that makes 3 different things at once in one equally divided pan. It saves you so much time, and it has this textured diamond pattern finish that allows everything to cook evenly and come out perfectly when it's done. It's scratch resistant, non-stick coating, so easy release. You don't have to sit there, you know, and try to get those string beans out. Everything just pops right up. Makes it super easy to clean as well, and it has a carbon steel and bronze finish too, so it won't warp. It'll last you for years, and it's just $16 at Walmart in-store or online, which is incredible. I love these little babies too for either preparing everything in advance and freezing, or for storing all the leftovers, or for giving your guests takeaway. They're the EveryWare lunch bento boxes. They have 5 different compartments in there. They're microwave, freezer, dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a snap as well, and they're just $4.99 each. You can buy a whole bunch. I love these. Now, another thing I love all year round, but especially during the holidays, Ferrero Rocher chocolates. They're so pretty and festive looking. These just scream celebration. They're the absolutely delicious chocolates, you know, that have a thin wafer and a whole roasted hazelnut in the center. They just melt in your mouth. Perfection. I love to decorate with these. They have these fantastic pyramids that make great centerpieces, and they're small and individually wrapped, so they make great party favors or great place setting like we did here. They also make great hostess gifts if you're going somewhere, and amazing stocking stuffers. My kids go crazy for these. I buy a whole bunch every year, and I've always been amazed at how accessible they are. You can get them right at the supermarket, you know. They're premium luxury chocolates for $1.99 to $13.69. Actually, fun fact, this brand originated in Italy in the 80s with the desire to make a luxurious praline that you can only find in chocolatier shops. They wanted to, you know, make them available to the masses. So mission accomplished there. And this holiday, they're doing something really cool too. They partnered with Table and Teaspoon to create a golden tablescape hosting kit with everything you need, plus a guide filled with ideas to make your gathering fun and festive. It's a free resource right on their website. Just head to ferrerorocher.com/golden hosting kit. Final thoughts, you know, set up everything you can in advance. Cook whatever you can before. Do as much as you can, you know, freeze it. And set up your table the night before too, so that that's all done. I also like to set up an extra table for the food, so guests can go buffet style and help themselves, and you're not running around like a chicken without a head, and you can actually enjoy your own party. Also, leave your clothes out, you know, the night before. Know what you're going to wear so that you're ready to go. You know, just be prepared so you can be a guest at your own party. That's the best tip I can give. And happy holidays.